Ever found yourself drowning in a sea of spreadsheets, desperately trying to keep track of who owes what, wondering if there's a better way to get those invoices out the door? You're not alone. We've all been there. And if you're asking yourself, can NetSuite actually send invoices to customers? You're asking a question that could revolutionize your entire billing process. Let's be honest, chasing payments is a headache. It's time-consuming, it's prone to errors, and it can strain customer relationships. Imagine a world where invoices are generated automatically, sent instantly, and tracked seamlessly, all from one central platform. Sounds like a dream, right? Well, that dream is a reality with NetSuite. But before we dive into the how, let's unpack the why. Why is this question even important? Why should you care about automating your invoice delivery? Think about the sheer volume of transactions your business handles. Every sale, every service rendered, generates an invoice. Manually creating and sending these documents is a recipe for disaster. Errors creep in, deadlines are missed, and customer satisfaction plummets. In today's fast-paced business landscape, efficiency is paramount. And when it comes to billing, efficiency translates to faster payments, improved cash flow, and ultimately a healthier bottom line. Now, let's address the elephant in the room. Yes, NetSuite can absolutely send invoices to customers. And it does so with a level of sophistication and automation that's truly impressive. But it's not just about sending invoices. It's about sending them intelligently. NetSuite offers a range of features that empower you to customize your invoice delivery process to meet the specific needs of your business and your customers. First, let's talk about invoice generation. NetSuite seamlessly integrates with your sales and order management modules, automatically generating invoices based on completed transactions. This eliminates the need for manual data entry, reducing the risk of errors and saving you valuable time. Next, you have complete control over the look and feel of your invoices. NetSuite's customizable templates allow you to brand your invoices with your company logo and colors, ensuring a consistent and professional appearance. You can also tailor the content of your invoices to include specific information, such as payment terms, discounts, and customer notes. Now, let's get to the crux of the matter. How does NetSuite actually send invoices to customers? NetSuite offers multiple delivery options, giving you the flexibility to choose the method that best suits your needs. The most common method is email. NetSuite allows you to send invoices directly to your customers' email addresses, either as a PDF attachment or as an embedded link to an online invoice. You can even personalize your email messages with customer-specific information, such as their name and account number. For customers who prefer to receive paper invoices, NetSuite also offers printing and mailing options. You can print invoices directly from NetSuite or integrate with third-party print and mail services. But NetSuite's invoice delivery capabilities don't stop there. It also provides advanced features like automated reminders and payment notifications. You can set up automatic email reminders to be sent to customers who have overdue invoices, prompting them to make payment. You can also send payment notifications to customers once their payment has been received, keeping them informed and up to date. And speaking of keeping track, NetSuite provides comprehensive invoice tracking and reporting capabilities. You can monitor the status of your invoices, view payment history, and generate detailed reports on your accounts receivable. This gives you valuable insights into your cash flow and helps you identify potential payment issues. Another powerful feature of NetSuite's invoicing system is its integration with online payment gateways. This allows your customers to pay their invoices directly online, using a variety of payment methods, such as credit cards and electronic funds transfers. This streamlines the payment process, making it easier for your customers to pay you and accelerating your cash flow. Furthermore, NetSuite's customer portal feature empowers customers to access and manage their invoices online. They can view their invoice history, download copies of their invoices, and even make payments directly through the portal. This self-service approach enhances customer satisfaction and reduces the burden on your customer service team. Let's break down some of the key benefits of using NetSuite to send invoices. Automation automates invoice generation, delivery, and tracking, saving you time and reducing errors. Customization allows you to customize the look and feel of your invoices to match your brand. Multiple delivery options. Offers a variety of delivery methods, including email, printing, and online access. Automated reminders. Sends automatic email reminders to customers with overdue invoices. Online payment integration. Integrates with online payment gateways, making it easy for customers to pay online. Customer portal. Provides a self-service portal for customers to access and manage their invoices. Improved cash flow. Accelerates payment collection and improves cash flow. Enhanced customer satisfaction. Provides a seamless and convenient billing experience for your customers. Real-time visibility. Provides real-time visibility into your accounts receivable. Reduced manual effort. Minimizes the need for manual data entry and processing. Now, you might be wondering, is NetSuite's invoicing system complex to set up and use? The answer is no. While NetSuite is a powerful and comprehensive platform, its invoicing system is designed to be user-friendly and intuitive. NetSuite provides a range of resources to help you get started, including online documentation, training videos, and live support. You can also work with a NetSuite implementation partner to customize the system to your specific needs. But let's address a few specific scenarios. Let's say you have customers who require invoices in different languages. NetSuite allows for multi-language invoicing, ensuring your global customers receive invoices in their preferred language. Or perhaps you have customers who require invoices in specific formats, such as EDI. NetSuite offers EDI integration, allowing you to exchange invoices electronically with your trading partners. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.